Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So now all we have to do is to tap on this arrow at the top to open more options, and as you can see here we've got this hourglass icon which is connected with the timer, so let's tap on it. And in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. This option is right now highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn off this option the same way, so just tap on this arrow again, tap on the timer and choose this crossed out icon. Now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.